Sean.
And how old are you?
I'm about to be 24 in November, but I'm 23 right now.
Nice. What are we doing today?
Huh?
What are we doing today?
We did some chest today, some abs. You know, had a little good lean meal in the morning. Well, at 12, so I woke up late. Yeah.
How long is your workout?
I average my workouts at least like an hour to 2 hours. Depends. Like today I'm working out at the crib, but you know I usually be at the gym every day. Today I just didn't go. I wanted to be home today, you know, just cook. But
what do your diet consist of? What do you make for breakfast?
breakfast is usually I have egg whites with 1 egg yolk in there as well. I'll try to have some carbs in there as well. Avocados in the morning as well. Protein shake, cream of wheat, which is like I say like it's a cereal basically. Oatmeal as well, fruits. You know, and then lunch will be probably either chicken, turkey, or fish. With carbs as well. You always have to have carbs. You want a nice pump as well. What I've learned through bodybuilders and watching people through Instagram, YouTube. So.
Do you drink water? You drink anything special? Any vitamin water?
I drink water.
How many gallons a day?
I try to drink a gallon a day. I try. It's just hard. But you know, before I go to the gym, you know, I have a pre-workout. I usually do raw nutrition. They're really good with a raw pump. I also do Celsius. If I don't want to take the pre-workout, I'll just do a Celsius. Really good as well. But yeah, mostly like that.
When did you start working out?
When I took it seriously,
yeah,
it was around October, November. And then from there, I just wasn't eating, but now I started eating more, improving my diet each and every day. Yeah.
Have you lost weight, gained weight?
I've lost a lot of weight.
When
yeah.
you started, how much did you weigh?
When I first started, I was 160. Then I dropped to 120 because I wasn't eating. Now I'm at like 130, 135. I'm trying to reach like 140 to 150 of just muscle. Yeah.
What is your main goal?
Main goal is, you know, just to keep myself active and, you know, one day hopefully be a good bodybuilder. But right now I just like being lean and just doing what I could do, lifting heavy when I want to, you know.
What are you working? You working your leg, your body, your chest? What are you working? Your main goal?
My main goal is to have bigger chest and bigger shoulders, but I have to, you know, I started doing more legs now, so I'll do legs like twice a week. More. I try to do 3 to twice a week for legs. That's the most I ever work out with it is legs.
Show me where you're at.
This nigga's stupid.
All right, brother. Thank you.